Repair Surge is the largest independent provider of factory-derived online repair manuals. So no matter what you drive, they've got you covered. One of the reasons why I love Repair Surge is because it allows me to cut costs with my auto repairs and service. In many instances in the past, I would visit a mechanic or an auto repair shop for even the most minor problem and the mechanics would charge me a lot of money. These costs can now be drastically cut by simply using Repair Surge. As a motorist, you get to receive hundreds of diagrams and illustrations generated by this software. Repair Surge will check out your entire transmission system, electrical system, engine, and every other part. It will then generate diagrams and images to show you what is wrong with your car and how to solve the problem. If you have a Windows computer, then Repair Surge will run smoothly and operate without any problems. This is because it is designed to operate on any MS Windows computer. You do not need to use a specialized computer or buy expensive hardware or tools to operate Repair Surge. Simply get Repair Surge and you can begin enjoying its benefits. One of the best things about Repair Surge is that it is very easy to install. Just like any individual who can use a computer and can install this software onto their Windows-operated computer. You do not need the assistance of a computer technician or other expert. It is just as easy as plug and play. Every car needs regular and proper maintenance with thorough inspections and regular service. With Repair Surge, it is easy to maintain your car in excellent condition. Motorists using Repair Surge get detailed information on inspection and maintenance procedures. As a Repair Surge customer, you will get to enjoy services such as access to repair databases. These databases will teach you how to easily and reliably fix small problems and issues with your car, helping save lots of costs by not using a mechanic. It also prevents problems from getting any worse. Repair Surge provides you with detailed wiring information including different wiring codes, so you know which wire needs to be touched and which one goes where. This is important information that will come in handy as you tend to your car. If you want to get instant access to Repair Surge, check out the link in the description box below this video.
Thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope this review helped in one way or another. Make sure to click the link in the description to receive our special discounted promo price.